You searched how to buy shares of G Willi-Food International Ltd. G Willi-Food is a food manufacturing and distribution company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker WILC. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we'll use eToro as the example platform for this walkthrough. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker WILC to locate G Willi-Food International Ltd. Confirm the correct listing and select the matching NASDAQ entry. On the asset page, review the company summary, recent news, and a price chart to see how the stock has behaved. Double-check the company name and the WILC ticker to make sure it is the correct stock. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next session, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After confirmation, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. Check the video description for a link to eToro.